And for this model, it's the suction is more powerful than other similar model. For other similar model in the market, many suction just can reach 1,000 or 1,000 to 1,500 parts in the market, but our model can reach 2,000 parts. Yeah, the standard suction for this model is 2,000 parts. If you want to increase the suction, we can also upgrade the motor in 3,500 parts. Yeah, and its price is very good. You know, many gyroscope model in the market, its price is higher than $65 per pieces, but we can make this model the price lower than $65 for 1,000 pieces. And its selling price in the market is around $199. Yeah, so it can have a very good profit actually. We have clients selling this model in the Amazon. Yeah, they are selling around $199 per pieces. So you can see the profits from this model. And if you add more additional function like the Bluetooth connection with app function, yeah, you can increase the price also. Yeah, you can increase your selling price also. And this model, we can customize the panel, and we can change the panel in the temporary glass panel. The temporary glass panel are more elegant and more durable. If you want to change into the temporary glass panel, just need to add around $3 per pieces for it.